Ibotta's receipt scanner can fail when the app cannot properly read the receipt image, verify the stored details, or process the information you submitted. By the end, you'll know the main reasons the Ibotta receipt scanner stops working, and the steps to fix scanning problems before submitting another receipt. The first thing to check is your receipt photo. Ibotta needs a clear image that shows the required information, including the store details, purchase items, and transaction information. Start by opening the Ibotta app and taking a new photo instead of uploading a blurry or cropped image. Place the receipt on a flat surface, use good lighting, and make sure all important sections are visible. If the scanner still does not work, check your internet connection. Ibotta needs an active connection to upload receipt information and process your submission. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. A weak connection can prevent the app from completing the receipt upload. The second step is checking app permissions. Your phone needs to allow Ibotta to access the camera if you are scanning receipts directly through the app. On your phone settings, find Ibotta in the app list and confirm that camera access is enabled. Restart the app after changing permissions. Another common issue is using an outdated app version. Open your device's app store and check whether an update is available for Ibotta. Updates can include bug fixes that improve app performance and resolve scanning problems. If the receipt scanner continues failing, close the Ibotta app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can clear temporary issues that affect scanning or uploading. You can also restart your phone if the problem continues. A device restart can fix temporary software problems affecting the camera or app functions. Before submitting again, check that the receipt meets Ibotta's requirements. A receipt that is too old, missing information, or not connected to a qualifying offer may not be accepted. If none of these steps work, contact Ibotta support through the app and provide details about the issue. Include information about your device, the problem you see, and any error messages shown. To summarize, fix Ibotta receipt scanning problems by taking a clear receipt photo, checking your connection and permissions, and updating or restarting the app when needed. Your next step is to open Ibotta, check camera permissions, and scan a new receipt using a clear image with all details visible. If this guide helped you fix the Ibotta scanner, like the video and subscribe for more cash back app guides.